All right there, boys and girls, back at it again, and today we're looking at the SIDI Mag-1 boot in fluorescent yellow. SIDI Mag-1 came out in 2014 and it was an all-new boot in SIDI's lineup. The thing about the SIDI Mag-1 that differentiates it from other boots in SIDI's lineup is the fact that it's such a slim profile boot. You can see how thin it is in comparison to, say, something like an Alpine Star Super Tech R or even a SIDI Rex. Cool thing about the fluorescent yellow colorway is it's two-toned. It had the flow yellow on the outside and the black on the inside. And I have the boot set up on the bike down here so you get a better look on just how slim and how closely to the bike you can get with this boot. When you're at the track or you're out doing some spirited riding on the road, because these boots do look great with jeans and they do have reflective, which you really wouldn't need the reflective on the track. You're really only doing the track during the day. So you could wear these on the track, or if you're doing some aggressive riding on the road. They really look amazing with jeans, and they also look amazing with leathers, of course. But you can just see how close to the bike you actually get here. It is really, really, really close, and that's what I really, really, really like about these boots. That and the fact that they're easy to lace up. So you get your foot in there, and you put these little adjustment things here like so, and you can kind of twist them up like this. You got little magnets here. The magnet hooks on. Once your foot's in there, you just kind of twist it. Same thing here. You put that magnetic system, you latch that there, and then you twist it up. So these boots basically have 3 knobs to open up and twist to get on and off. So they're pretty easy to get on and off at the track. I will say it is not the most comfortable boot to walk around in while you're at the track. You may want to take it off. It perforates very well. You have a mesh area here that goes along the tongue up before the shin guard, and it's also in the back, so air vents nicely. They do make a perforated one. I'll do a review on those another time. But these vent adequate amount of air. Additionally, there is something on the toe that you could open up to get more airflow through there. This is a tough color to find if you're in the market for these Mag-1 boots. I pretty much haven't seen them around anymore. They kind of sold out because this was the good looking colorway. Unfortunately, for anyone still looking, you may not be able to find this color, but they do make them in, I think, a black and a white or a gray as well. So that, I think, was the color that replaced the fluorescent yellow, was this gray color, which I've never seen in person, but I'm just glad I got the fluorescent yellow ones while I could. If you're in the market for a track boot and you don't want something bulky and you want to feel really well connected and as close to the bike as possible, these are the boots to get. Carbon fiber support that go up the center to offer protection, and they have a nice asymmetrical heel cup there. I like the shifter panel there. Sorry, bad to see with all the sun. Nicely designed. I like how it says SIDI on the boot, on the straps there. Really, really, really nice boot. can fit a pretty wide calf in there. If you have a big muscular calf, this thing opens up pretty wide. Really not much to say here. It's not a special edition, it's not a limited edition boot. They just look dope as fuck, and you can't buy them anymore because they're all gone. So that's pretty much it. But if you are in the market for the SIDI Mag-1, you want to get the other color, the black, white, or the gray, please do so. It's a really nice boot, great for the track, and looks great with jeans too. So if you want to, just stunt a little, look a little different on a bike night or a meetup, these boots do the job. SIDI Mag-1s, stay fresh.